Let's kick off with football. There are conflicting reports as to how a GoFundMe account was formed by a parent of a member of the Reggae Girlz squad. An overseas article on Monday stated that the Jamaica national team has had to take matters into its own hands. But JFF General Secretary Dennis Chung says he knew nothing of the account.
Several heads were turned when the GoFundMe was launched reportedly to cover travel costs for the Reggae Girlz to travel to Australia. The fundraiser, which was formed by Sandra Lee Phillips, the mother of midfielder Havana Salone, is aimed at raising 150,000 Australian dollars, which would, quote, allow both staff and players to focus on their jobs on the pitch at the World Cup. But the JFF said on Tuesday that it had been made aware of the account but are not aware of the arrangements surrounding the activity. According to JFF General Secretary Dennis Chung, the JFF has been making all arrangements for travel and preparation, assisted primarily by FIFA and their sponsors.
I wasn't aware of this GoFundMe initiative being launched, but certainly, we would welcome that once that $150,000 is raised, that it would come to the JFF. Of course, we have to ensure, to ensure good governance.
But TVJ Sports has obtained an email dated May 11, 2023, sent by Chung to Rachel Enriquez about the fundraiser, which states, quote, you do have our support at the JFF. It is important the images that are to be placed be confirmed by us, as well as that we understand the accounting for the funds contributed, as we have legal arrangements and branding to protect, end quote. However, Chung says while he recalls the discussion, nothing was finalized.
We have to ensure that the brand of the JFF and the symbols of the JFF is adequately protected. Subsequent to that, I'm seeing that there was some interaction saying that, we could have, once we finalize the arrangements, we can have a press conference. Those images were never confirmed. The accounting for it was never confirmed, which is the greatest concern. And we never had any discussions about a launch.
At sports time, just under $30,000 was raised by the GoFundMe. It is not clear how the funds will be dispersed. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.